Hello dear children and welcome back to the maths class. In the previous week we had studied in lesson 3 polynomials from maths 1. We have studied the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. Let us now see how to find the factors of the polynomial. Now in the previous class in standard 8 we have studied how to find the factors of an algebraic expression by splitting the middle term. Let us see an example. You have been given an example to factorize the polynomial 3x square minus 2x minus 8. Now what do we do? If there was not any variable for the x square term, we will directly take factors of the third term. Now since the variable of the first term is 3, we will multiply 3 with minus 8. We get it as minus 24. Now we have to find two factors of minus 24 such that their sum is minus 2. Now we have 6 fours are 24, but since it is minus 24 and since we want minus 2 as the answer, we will put the negative sign to the greater number, that is 6. So minus 6 plus 4 we have minus 2. Therefore 3x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 8. We have split minus 2x into minus 6x plus 4x. Now in the first two terms 3x square minus 6x, if we take 3x as common, then in the bracket we have x minus 2. In the last two terms, if we take 4 as common, we again have x minus 2 as the common for both these terms. Now from these two terms we have x minus 2 as common, and in the second bracket we will have 3x plus 4. So the factors of the given polynomial are x minus 2 and 3x plus 4. We will be using this to factorizing polynomials which are reducible in the form of 3ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now what do you mean by reducible? Let us see an example. If we take the polynomial 3, in the bracket you have x square minus 5x the whole square minus 2, in the bracket you have x square minus 5x plus 5 minus 6. Okay, this is the polynomial that is given to you. Now this we cannot factorize. So what will we do? What do you observe in this? You observe that x square minus 5x is common in both these terms. So what would we do? We will take x square minus 5x as m. You can take any other alphabet apart from x. Okay, you can substitute in wherever x square minus 5x is there, we will put m. So we have x square minus 5x wherever it is there. So we have 3m square, that is in place of x square minus 5x we have put m, minus 2, in the bracket it was x square minus 5x plus 5. So in place of x square minus 5x we have put m. So we have 2 in the bracket m plus 5 minus 6. When we solve this, we have 3m square minus 2 into m is 2m, minus 2 into 5 is minus 10 minus 6. So we have 3m square minus 2m minus 16. Now what is 3 into 16? We have it as minus 48. Now you need two factors of minus 48 such that their sum is minus 2. We have 8 6 are 48, but since we want minus 2, we will have the negative sign in the greater number. So you have 3m square minus 8m plus 6 minus 6. So we have in the first two term m is common, in bracket you have 3m minus 8. In the second term we have 2 common, in the bracket again you have 3m minus 8. So 3m minus 8 into m minus m plus 2. These are the two factors. Have we finished the factorization? You have got the factor. Have we finished it? No. You are correct. We had substituted m for a particular term. We will put that term back over here and then only we will know whether the factorization, what are the factors of the actual polynomial which have been given. So what will we do? We will resubstitute the value of m, and what do we get? In place of m we will put x square minus 5x. So we get 3 in bracket x square minus 5x minus 8, and in the second bracket it is m plus 2. So we have x square minus 5x plus 2. We will open all the brackets in the first one. So 3 into x square is 3x square, 3 into minus 5 is minus 15x plus 8, and x square minus 5x plus 2. So we have these are the factors of the given polynomial. It cannot be factorized further. Now let us see a few examples of practice set 3.6. First, find the factors of the polynomials given below. So the first polynomial is 2x square plus x plus 1. So we will multiply 2 into 1. We have 2. So we need factors of 2 such that their sum is 1. So you have 2 ones are 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 2x square plus 2x minus x plus 1. Now in the first two terms you have 2x as common. In bracket you will have x plus 1. In the second two terms we will take out minus 1 as common, and in the bracket it will be x plus 1. So in the first bracket we have x plus 1, and in the second bracket we have 2x minus 1. So x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 are the factors of 2x square plus x plus 1. Next we are doing question number 3. Here it is 12x square plus 61x plus 7. Now again these are bigger numbers, the first term and the third term. So we will multiply 12 into 77 and then we will factorize them. So we get 4 into 3 into 11 into 7. 4 into 3 is 12 and 77 is 11 into 7. Now we will divide them in such a way that their addition is 61. So 28 into 33. So 28 plus 33 is 61. So we have 12x square plus 28x plus 33x plus 77. So you have from 12x square and 28x we take out 4x common. 4 is common for 12 as well as 28. Now 4x, since we are taking out as common, in the bracket it is left as 3x plus 7, and here 11 we take out common, again 3x plus 7 is left in the bracket. So the factors are 3x plus 7 in the first bracket, and in the second bracket we will have 4x plus 11. So 3x plus 7 and 4x plus 11 are the factors of 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Now the next example that we are taking is the sixth example, since it has a fraction. You know you are scared of fractions. So half x square minus 3x plus 4. Now first what will we do? We will take out half outside the bracket. Okay. Now since we are taking half outside in the bracket, what will we do? Inside we will multiply everything by 2. So half, 2 into half is 1. Okay. So we have x square. Now 3 into 2 is 6x. Okay. If we take out half as common, here it will be minus 6 and here it will be 8. Inside the bracket everything will be multiplied by 2, the other terms. Okay. When we take out half as common, since half and 3 nothing is common. Okay. So if we have to take out half outside, so this is the second term is multiplied by 2, that is minus 6x, and the third term is also multiplied by 2, that is 8. Then we will factorize whatever is there in the bracket. So we have half in the bracket. We need 2 factors of 8 such that their addition is minus 6. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 plus 2 is 6. But we need minus 6. So we will have x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Now half will remain outside. from the first two terms we have x common. In the bracket it will remain x minus 4, and in the last two terms we have 2 common, x minus 4 in the bracket. So we have half outside, x minus 4 into x minus 2. These are the factors of the polynomial half x square minus 3x plus 4. Now the next question. We are doing the second question, factorize the following polynomials. Here we will be using the substituting method. The first polynomial given to you is x square minus x the whole square minus 8 into x square minus x plus 12. So you have let x square minus x be equal to m. Wherever x square minus x is there, we will substitute it as m. So the given polynomial will be reduced to m square minus 8m plus 12. What have we done? We have put m wherever x square minus x is there. Now we need two factors of 12 such that their addition is minus 8. So what are the two factors? 6 2s are 12 and 6 plus 2 is 8. But since we need minus 8, so we will take m square minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. So in the first two terms the common factor is m. In bracket what will be there? M minus 6. In the last two terms 2 is common, minus 2. So in the bracket what will be left? M minus 6. So we have m minus 6 into m minus 2. Have we finished the factorization? No. We had substituted m for a particular part of the polynomial. What will we do? We will substitute m is equals to x square minus x. Then we get x square minus x minus 6 in the first bracket and x square minus x minus 2. Now these can be factorized further. Minus 6 you can have two factors such that their addition is minus 1. That is minus 3x plus 2x. So in the first bracket we will write x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. What are we doing? We are factorizing after substituting, we are factorizing the first factor. Then even the second one can be factorized. We can get two factors of minus 2 such that their addition is minus 1. So in the second bracket we write x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. So in the first bracket x is common, x minus 3 plus in the next two terms 2 is common, x minus 3. We have a square bracket. Again the second bracket can be written in a square bracket. First two terms x is common. In the bracket we have x minus 2 plus last two terms 1 is common. In the bracket we have x minus 2. So from the first bracket we have x minus 3 plus x plus 2, and in the last brackets we have x minus 2 and x plus 1. So x minus 3 into x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1 are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay. Next we are doing the third question, that is x square minus 6x the whole square minus 8 into x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. So let x square minus 6x be equal to m. So therefore in this polynomial gets reduced to m square minus in bracket m plus 8 minus 64. So you have m square minus 8m minus 64 minus 64, that is equal to m square minus 8m minus 128. Now the factors of 128 such that you get minus 8 as their sum are 16 and 8, that is minus 16 plus 8. So you have m square minus 16m plus 8m minus 128. What do we do if the numbers are bigger? On the right hand side of your page you draw a rough column, you factorize the bigger, that is 128, by the factorization method, club them together and find different ways in which you can get, and you will get the correct answer. So we have m square minus 16m plus 8m minus 128. So from the first two terms, m is common, in bracket you get m minus 16, plus 8 is common, m minus 16. So you have the two factors as m minus 16 into m plus 8. Again, what will we do? We will resubstitute the value of m, that is m is equals to x square minus 6x. We will put back. So we have x square minus 6x minus 16 into x square minus 6x plus 8. Now we can further factorize it. 16 can be split as 8 2s are 16 and 8 minus 2 is 6. But since minus 6 is there, we will put minus in the greater number, that is 8. So you have x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16, and in the second bracket we have the factors of 8 as minus 4 into minus 2, we get plus 8, and minus 4 minus 2 you get plus 6. So in the second bracket we will write it as x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. So first bracket we write it in square brackets. In the first two terms we have x common, x minus 8, plus the next two terms we have 2 common and x minus 8 in the bracket. We will close the square bracket, open the square bracket for the second bracket. Here we have x common in the first two terms, in bracket we will have x minus 4. In the next two terms we have minus 2 common, and then in the bracket we have x minus 4. So in the first bracket we have x minus 8 into x plus 2. In the second bracket we have x minus 4 into x minus 2. So the factors are x minus 8 into x plus 2 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. So these are the factors of the given polynomial. Next question, we are doing question number 5. Now here a polynomial is not given properly. What is given? Fifth question, y plus 2 into y minus 3, y plus 8 into y plus 3 plus 56. So what will we do? We will multiply the first two brackets and then the second two brackets. So we have y into y plus 3 plus 2 into y plus 3. We will write them in square brackets, and in the second bracket we will multiply y minus 3 with y plus 8. So we will multiply y into y plus 8 minus 3 into y plus 8 plus 56. So we have y square plus 3y plus 2y plus 6 in the first bracket, then y square plus 8y minus 3y minus 24 in the second bracket plus 56. Now here, after solving them, what will we do? We get y plus 5y, that is 3y plus 2y is 5y plus 6 in the first bracket, and y plus 5y, that is 8y minus 3y, we get 5y minus 24 plus 56. Now what will we do? We will take let y square plus 5y is equals to a. So therefore what do we get? We get a plus 6 into a minus 24 plus 56. Again we will multiply both of them, a into a minus 24 plus 6 into a minus 24 plus 56. So we have a square minus 24a plus 6a minus 144 plus 56. So we will add a square minus 18a minus 88. Minus 24 plus 6a is minus 18a, and minus 144 plus 56 is minus 88. Therefore We will split minus 88 such that we get two factors such that their sum is minus 18. So you have a square minus 22a plus 4a minus 88. So in a square minus 22a we have a common in bracket a minus 22. Then in the second two terms we have 4 common, a minus 22. So we have a minus 22 into a plus 4. Therefore substituting a is equals to y square plus 5y. We get y square plus 5y minus 22 in the first one and y square plus 5y plus 4 in the next second bracket. Now we cannot factorize the first bracket because there are no factors of 22 such that the sum or the addition will get 5. Okay, so we leave it as it is, but we can factorize the second bracket because we have factors of 4 such that the addition is 5, that is 4 ones are 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will split y square plus 4y plus y plus 4. So we have the first bracket as it is. In the second bracket we will write it in square brackets. First two terms y is common. In brackets we have y plus 4. In the last two terms 1 is common and the bracket has y plus 4. So the factors are y square plus 5y minus 22 into y plus 4 into y plus 1. That's all children. Complete these questions and also your assignments. Thank you.